virtual kiddos. Just want to kind of help you out a little bit on our assignment today since you will not be in class with me. This should be a review of what you have learned in years past, but I know it's been a while since we talked about you've done fractions, so it's good to have that review. All right, so what you're doing on this first page, you're telling the different pieces and what they are named. So this top one, the top number is actually going to be called the numerator. So you would click numerator and slide that over to name of this part. The denominator is what number is on the bottom. I always think of denominator down, so it's the number on the bottom. So denominator is on the bottom. And then what it means. So the numerator tells you how many pieces are shaded, how many are eaten, it's letting you know the amount that have been eaten. So, or whatever the fraction is telling you about. So this would be number of pieces specified. Like I said, either shaded, eaten, something like that. Denominator is the total number of pieces in the whole. So how many pieces make the entire whole? So like this would be a picture with like, if I had a circle, it would be cut into 4 pieces to show the denominator and 3 pieces would be colored in it to show the numerator. On this next slide, you're going to tell how many are shaded out of how many pieces there are. So I see that there is 1 piece here shaded, so I would type 1 out of 1, 2, 3 pieces. So that would be a fraction of 1 over 3, 1/3, because there was 1 piece shaded, 3 pieces make the whole for the denominator. On this next one, I have 1 piece shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do count that shaded piece. A lot of people would want to skip that, so you don't want to skip it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is our denominator. So our fraction should be 1/4 because we have 1 out of 4 or 1/4 of this has been shaded. So the rest of that I'm going to have you do by yourself for slide 3 and 4. On slide 5, you're going to be shading these pictures. It says select a portion of each shape by clicking on it. Use the paint bucket tool to color the correct amount. Okay, so let's see if I can remember the paint bucket tool. So when I click that, notice how this toolbar came back up. This is what the paint bucket tool looks like. You can see it right here also. So I'm going to fill, it says 1/3, so that means 1 piece. I like that purple. So I'm going to fill 1 piece out of 3 with that purple. On 3/5, there's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in the whole. I need to shade in 3. So once again, I'm going to click. I'm going to do this for 3 pieces because that's my numerator. And I'm going to do the bucket. I'm going to do, let's do a green. Green's my favorite color. So I'm going to do a green. But I got to do it for 3 pieces. And you can pick different colors if you'd like. Typically, it's going to be the same color, but you can do that if you would like. Okay, so that 6th one you should be okay on. On the 7th through 11th, what you're doing is you're seeing a fraction, or you're seeing a picture and dragging the correct fraction over. So here I see 1, 2, 3 pieces shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 3/4. So I'm going to drag 3/4 over to this bug. Okay, so I'm going to have you do the rest of these on your own. I hope this video helps. Since you're watching the video, the secret word is flower because there's so many pretty flowers in this Google slideshow, and I think that spring is coming, so I want to see lots of flowers. All right, have a good day.